You know when you wash your hair and it's too fresh, it's too fluffy? I need a little bit more grit. All right, happy, what day is it? Oh yeah, it is Wednesday. Welcome back to AmandaMuse. Dean is the loudest phone talker you have ever met. He's on the phone right now. I'm like, is the person hard of hearing? Like, why are you yelling? Anyway, I'm about to have a smoothie and a snack. It's technically almost lunch. It's 11:20, but I'm kind of delaying. I'm hungry. I didn't really have breakfast. I had a call. So we're gonna do a green smoothie and some cinnamon toast. Cinnamon toast? Raisin cinnamon toast. It's gonna be delicious. I just keep re-washing the same 3 blue straws. It's delicious. My recycled mason jar. I got some flowers in this. Do you guys remember that? It's very handy. Not great. It has like spirulina powder and like it's not like, I can't wait to drink it. But when there's banana in it and cinnamon, it tastes pretty darn good. And I gotta say what I like drinking about this, and I've probably said this before, I truly do not get enough veggies and fruits and all of that in my diet. I'm not a snacker. I'm like, I don't have time, which is ridiculous. So smoothies are such a good way for me to get extra nutrients into my diet. So especially when I wanna have like raisin toast and raisin bread, it's so yummy, but like, hello, what's the nutritional value exactly? A raisin? Anyway, time to eat. And here we go, a perfect little snack before I head out. I'm actually putting today's video live because it's Wednesday. I have a video come out every Wednesday. Obviously, today is Wednesday. See, last week, so when you're watching this last week, it was all disorganized. I had the vlog on the Monday and I had other videos on Wednesday, so I'm confusing myself. I get all confused by the days of the week. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this, do that. Maybe I'm thinking I might have time for a pedicure. We'll see.
What's Toca Boca? It doesn't have, it has girls.
Yeah, it does have girls.
But in traditional girl roles like Toca Hair, it has the girl in it.
Yes.
But no zombie hunter games have girls.
No, not on the front. It's like,
Well, I don't know. I wonder why that is. Why do you think that is?
Esme's talking about how a lot of games or apps for kids don't have girls on the cover of predominantly boy games, right? But then in the game they have girls. But they're not trying to get girls to play it, which is ridiculous because so many girls I know like to play those games.
yeah, why does Nerf guns always have to have boy?
They have that they have that lady Nerf gun called Rebel, I think it is.
But it's like pink and purple.
Yeah, it's pink and purple.
Like, why can't it just be like to all genders? You know what I mean? It's true.
Like, why do girls have to be always pink and sparkly things?
True. I mean, I like sparkles and pink and purple, but I also like sparkly blue or blue and green.
Maybe they're marketing to girls pink and purple because that's traditionally maybe the colors like women like. I have no idea. Like if it was black and orange, would you want it?
Yes.
We got a yummy chicken wrap. Got some hot dogs, chicken tenders, delicious smoked meat, and milk. Delicious. Good morning, happy Saturday. Just got back from a crazy workout. I'm sweaty, I'm hot. The family's up and ready to rock. We got lots of stuff to do today because today we're having our Easter dinner with my dad and running a few errands. But first, smoothie. Some protein powder, a banana. I'm gonna put a ton of cinnamon and some collagen, I think. All dressed, post-workout, feeling good. You know when your body just feels tired, like it's worked out? Feels really good. So, plan for today is I'm taking the kids in about 10 minutes. We're gonna go and open up some bank accounts for them. Have I told you guys that I'm doing that? It's very important for me that they have a bank account, their own personal bank accounts that they can start to put money in, like when they get birthday money, or, you know, if they work with me on campaigns and things on YouTube, I want them to get income from it. Yeah, it's something that I never had. Like when I left home, I did not have any money. It would have been really nice, and I know if my parents could have, they likely would have done it, but that wasn't an option. And so anyway, I'm really excited to be putting this together for the kids and just know that everything I do is for them anyway. Well, not everything. I do lots of stuff for me too, but a lot of what my reason for doing things and crushing goals and working my ass off is so that my kids get to live a good life too, and that's really important to me. And so I want to start putting money away. Anyway, I've started putting things into their RESP. This is like a very grown-up conversation, but you're all grown-ups, aren't you? But yeah, I've started putting money into a registered education fund, which is really great. I don't know like 100% stuff about it, but what I do know is that ultimately I contribute, the government contributes, and then when they're of age to go to university, they have access to this money to use towards school only. And if they choose not to go to school, which is like, hey, I mean, I hope they do, but if they don't want to, then that money goes back into my RRSP, and I think the government contribution is removed or something like that. Either way, it's a win. And saving money, I love saving money. It's like I love spending money, I love making money, and I also love saving money. I kind of love money. You know, I'm such a Taurus. I am like true to my Taurus, like the finer things in life, and they also like to have money in the bank. It's one of these things that have been on my list of stuff to do to get the kids organized for banking, and we're going to do it. Dad's coming by about 3:30 for dinner tonight. I'm going to tidy up. It's just Dad, so I mean, he doesn't care. He's here to see us and visit with us. And we're back from the bank, and the kids each opened their own bank account, and for Easter this year I put money into their account, and I'm so excited. Right now I'm gonna have a coffee, and Dean has been whipping up some delicious food for dinner tonight. Tonight we are having a seafood chowder. You can see lobster and mussels, and oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. So he even made his own fish stock and everything. Like that is made with some love in there. My house like needs a tidy, but I'm not doing it. It'll be fine. Dad will be fine. He doesn't care. I'm taking a moment where I'm just like, no, I'm exhausted today. We're just gonna enjoy each other's company, and that's what's gonna matter most today, because I'm deciding it. Let the egg hunt begin! Woo! Nice, go get it!
Okay.
We bought some chocolate and some tulips.
This
Okay.
is a beach. Are you ready? Oh, where's the timer?
Cheers, happy Easter. Ready, Esme?
Set,
And flip
do
it.
Do it. Try to guess what it is before I'm done.
Shovel.
Shovel.
Nope. A beach chair. Oh, geez.
Towel.
A lifeguard chair? Oh, geez. An umbrella.
Done.
A
Star.
person.
Start what?
Starfish.
Got it.
That's perfect. You want to show them your Band-Aid?
I have a band-aid because I hurt my head.
What happened to
My
your head?
turn. I picked it on the wall.
Kind of hurt, huh?
My turn.
Okay, Esme's turn.
Here you go. There you go.
Destroyed. All in a day's work. Just having some fun with
Gotta call your
Nerf.
rep.
Jackie, I spot some. You see any
Easter
more?
Bunny left some egg.
Then get it.
I don't know if you can reach it.
Do you want me to help you? There's some in the living room, I know it. Jack, I'm gonna try to find a carrot. I found one, look. Jack, there's 2 carrots. Look, now you take it. Oh, look.
Cool.
Carrot? Jack, you're really close to 2 carrots.
How did that Easter Bunny get in here? He took all the chocolate that I bought. That's crazy.
That's
For
where
some reason, that one's having a hard time to turn on. Whoa, that was close. Oh my God.
Oh my.
Did it get a big crack in it?
That's.
What's Dad gonna say?
Is that a real crack or?
Yeah, it is.
There's no.
April Fools! Ow! Don't beat me with the iPad! I'm just kidding.
Is that real?
No. Oh, she didn't like that one. Listen, I try to be fun. Sometimes it doesn't work out.
I got a dog and my dog's name is Cat. Bet you never heard a thing half as crazy as that. But not only that, I got a cat. And Cat's name is Dog, like dog's name is Cat.
Woo!
My dog Cat and my cat dog. The cat or the dog.
Yum.
I bet you live
Liking.
pretty absurd. But wait till you hear
About my fish bird.
Yeah.
All right, making an omelet this morning. Okay, got my fixings. Let's do it.
Hello.
Go eat your breakfast, you. Oh yeah, I can't believe I flipped it so nice. Well, I've done it. I have tidied up. I'm still not dressed yet, but I've tidied up. Kitchen is clean. Dishwasher is going. Bathroom's been tidy. This room is still under construction. Oh, I see some toys on the floor that need to be picked up. Otherwise, Nora will eat them. Well, I'm gonna go get dressed now. How about that? And then we're gonna go. Cool?
Cool.
Hey, look who I found. Hello, hello. If you don't know who that is, that's Roxanne. Has your blog changed, Bonjour Bliss, or is it? Okay, so she's a blogger, Instagrammer, you name it. Bonjour Bliss, but on Instagram she's Roxanne West. Anyway, she was near my hood, and I was like, dude, let's get together. You just gonna have a good run?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set, go! They're off. Well, here I sit with treats. I've got some, woo, some Easter eggs. They're so delicious, the ones with caramel on the inside. I have got to take my computer and go sit in the living room because Jack came down with a cold, or maybe it was just like the wind in the park today, but his face is all red, like his cheeks are all rosy, and he's just stuffed up again. So circling back about that, because I think I was telling you that we might have to get his tonsils removed. Well, it turns out, yes, his tonsils are big, but his adenoids are huge, and it's causing like sleep apnea and stuff. And so Dean went in and got a referral for an ENT, ear, nose, and throat doctor, which we've seen before. But anyway, we're gonna go again, and we're gonna talk about getting them removed because he is like sucking in air. Like, it actually causes me a little bit of anxiety when I hear it when he's sleeping, because it's very stressful to hear your child struggling for air. So we're monitoring it because I got a couple DMs about, or direct messages about that. And so anyway, he's okay. We're monitoring it, but yeah, I have to like stay close so I can hear him. And I don't know what I did with the baby monitor. I found one side of it, but I can't find the other, like the part where I can hear him. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna wrap it up tonight. Also, I cut my finger cooking. I cooked dinner though. It was delicious. I made noodles with sausages, oh, and baked eggplant. It was really good. That doesn't sound that enticing, but it was a very delicious dinner. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys had a great Easter weekend. We had a nice spontaneous day. It was so fun just to see a friend unplanned, and it just worked out really well. And tomorrow we have another play date planned, and it is Easter Monday, and I'm taking the day off work. Like, usually I go live on Facebook, but I'm not gonna do that tomorrow, so it should be just a real casual day. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. If you're new, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and I'll be back with the next video this week, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.